Hi guys, my name is Sigrun Arna. I have a small business with knitting patterns and gift kits. Then I hand dye the wool. I put in the kits with my patterns. You can buy them very many shops in Iceland and then at my webpage noturuprum.is. I want to show you how my patterns look like, but first of all I want to show you a photo of me in one of my favorite cardigans, Snæfellsjökull. It's very easy to knit and very warm, made out of wool and mohair, and is very suitable, sitting well on the shoulders and keep you very warm, but very light also. And I want to show you how my patterns are. If you see the moving shadow, it is my cat. She always wants to be close to me. Okay, this is how my pattern looks. Here is how much wool you need and what you need to be able to knit this. This is where I get the idea and how you're going to knit the pattern. Apprehension and symbols are here, and knitting techniques. I think it's very important to have much of knitting techniques clarification, because I don't like to knit patterns and be stuck and don't know what to do and how to do it. So here are good introductions and also a good video with it. I'm making the video for my own knitting techniques, but it's on the way, so it's not already on my YouTube channels, but it will soon be there. I also, in the sweater pattern, I have a statistic numbers. There are the milestones. So when you have knitted the charts and read over the patterns, you should be able to knit after the statistic numbers, which makes it very easy, not always looking up something. And I'm very happy to see photos of some of the items you have knitted, so please tag me and send me some photo of your items. All my patterns look alike, so everything is similar. I have made most of hat and mittens pattern. Most of the time I pick something up from the nature, like flower or like the volcano. I hiked up to the volcano 2021, took a photo and made a pattern out of it. Some delicate flowers in the Icelandic harsh nature, or just some idea. This was supposed to be a flower, but don't look like it at all. And here are some of my items knitted. This pattern has been very popular. This is the window in Akureyrarkirkja. This is the Northern Lights and the volcano. So you can see it's lots of variation and more to see at my webpage. Here are some mittens from me. And I want to show you the gift kits. They are both in English and Icelandic. This is Icelandic one with a hat, and there's a star because I want people to know there's a hat pattern inside it. So hand-dyed wool and pattern by me. Here are some mitten pattern, and then I have one in English so you can see how it looks like. This one is in English. This is hand-dyed wool and pattern inside it, and here's a mark with this is a hat and a mitten pattern. I want to show you some sweater I'm making. This one is in test knitting and already almost done. So this is the new Fjallalopi from Icetex, which is a very nice wool, I would say. I like it, and they have lots and lots of color in it. I love colors, so this suits me very well. This is also on the way. This is a wool sweater with wool made from, this is a lamb wool and a silk, so it gets kind of shiny look. And then I have a mohair. I finish off with I-cord everywhere, so, and on the behind and in the back it looks like this. This is the end of like in a blouse or a shirt, and a little bit longer in the back. Then I have one special one I made this winter. I was in Gimli in Manitoba last year, close to Winnipeg, and there's this young couple with a farmer, and they are starting breeding Icelandic sheeps. And I thought it would be very nice for them to have their own pattern, lopapeysu pattern. which is the only different with the Lopapeysu pattern I make, is like I start on the top and knit down. But the pattern is like, this is just the usual pattern, and then it is the Lucky Stone, the sheep, and the ram in the barn. It is test knitted now in Canada, so I hope it will be ready when I will be at the Manitoba Fiber Festival in beginning of September. And there's two more things I want to show you. I sit very much back home and knit, so I have a lot of knitting items. Most of the time I'm making many things at the same time, so I need a lot. So I wanted to get some boxes, hand-carved walnut boxes. It was made for me by my wishes. I made them what I thought would suit me best and be best for me. This one is with 3 compartments. This is a fine for the crocheting items I have. I also crochet a little bit. So, and then I have a bigger one. This is hand-carved and it looks very nice. And this is a very fine to have on the table. Here's the bigger one. This one has 5 compartments. And as you can see, I have already filled up a little bit. But most of and best of everything, this looks nice, and no one think it will contain or having knitting items in it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.